Let's check out easily the best, very affordable OBD2 scanner, the new V519 model. And first, inside the box, we get our manual here and our scanner. So it actually arrives in fairly plain packaging. So, and let's take it out. So when it comes to size, this is actually a very decent unit here. Also very nice large screen as well on it, and regular OBD2 port on it essentially. By the way, the best part about the scanner actually is the price of it. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and I literally paid actually a bit under $10 for mine, which is absolutely insane considering what we're getting. And also that is with free shipping directly from the manufacturer who makes it. If you also want to get the scanner for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Also, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons from AliExpress that you can combine with this price to maybe even like bring it down further. So for this price, I think it's absolutely insane what we are getting here. When it comes to build quality, as you see, it's actually real decent. So we have nice buttons here. If you're wondering if we have internal battery in this one, then no, basically. So the way we can actually get it to work is we simply have to connect to a car OBD port essentially, and then basically pulls the electricity and also powers on. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, when it comes to quality, this actually appears very, very decent. And next, let's check out everything we can actually do with the scanner. So the first time you actually connect to your car, it automatically will connect and read all the codes essentially. Or also you can click exit, and also see if you click on this OBD sign, it will like try to connect again. So if it has timed out or stuff like that. So for example, if I check, read my DTC, so you see, I can see all my codes stored over here. So that I currently have basically on this car. So again, I just unplugged some sensors on my car to trigger this stuff. So, and also you can see the full code and also the explanation. So again, absolutely cool thing about this thing is it also like tells you right away what's actually wrong with the car, and you do not actually have to go anywhere to look up the codes essentially. So if we exit this, go back, so you see we can also clear the codes. So as you see, currently I have the check engine light, but if I click clear DTC, yep, so racing codes, and you see the engine light actually disappeared on my car, and basically it deleted everything. And next, as you see, you also have a bunch more functions here, such as your freeze frame here as well. So you see, you can see basically the live date of your car. I will show you that a bit later, better when I actually start my car up. So also, as you see, this also you can check the vehicle info here as well. You set up better also your live date here, and also we have various tests as well that we can do using this. So onboard tests, so you see, for example, what we can see here. Okay, and also we can check the O2 sensor as well, so essentially test if everything is okay, and also another some kind of like component test for. And next, if we press the exit on this thing, so you see, you also get more stuff here. For example, we can connect to the vehicle and see the live date basically of it. So you see my car is currently running, so it's reading, and then for example display. So you see what we can for example see here, and you see it's updating in live here. If I press this button here, as you see, I can check my RPM for example and stuff like that. So yeah, as you see, for such price it's incredibly advanced actually. And also we have our library where we can look up codes quickly as well. So again, we can see everything here basically, so on the device itself. So for example, I'm going to enter something randomly, so you see, you can also look up basically the standard codes as well on the device and see what they actually mean. And also for example see your voltage here, and also like a regular setup here. So your language. Okay. And if you want to switch to the main back, so select this one, and then you can, yeah, do everything here. And yeah, when it comes to overall performance, I'm actually very impressed with this unit, especially also after trying some other cheap OBD scanners. And again, most actually can't do what this can do. So again, we can see all the codes, all the explanations, also do some basic tests for this price. Yeah, basically if you follow a special discount link, which this thing costs, I think it's absolutely insane what we're getting. When it comes to negatives, the only negative so far after using it for a couple of days, I'm seeing basically the lead is incredibly short. So you see literally only maybe like half a meter. So again, if you connect it, so obviously you'll need to be very near it. Yeah, but really, I'm just nitpicking at this price. That's completely forgivable essentially. Also, let me maybe quickly show you the manual so you can see some of the more features we can actually get over here and all the standards it can do. So again, simply pause the video wherever you need it. So you see you have all the standards here as well. So far I have also tried with 3 different cars. So my Honda, also Fiat, and also Chrysler. And on those, again, I was able to connect very easily. So, and everything worked. I was able to pull up any code. So again, it should work with pretty much any car. Since again, it's very universal tool here. Again, we can even run some basic tests here. Okay, and that's about it. So yeah, actually very impressed in this unit. Again, if you want to get it for the cheapest price possible, simply check out the special discount links I'll leave in the description. Also make sure to check out those extra coupons as well, so you can actually combine them with this price and maybe even like bring it down further. For this price, what we're getting, I think it's absolutely insane. Okay, good luck.